Okay, so now we are on the other side of the street at the Vanderveer Church of Christ. We just finished that side. We did all of the front surface side, the entrance way, sidewalk and the entrance way, and then the side of the building over there is all done. And now we are starting on this part, on this side. And as you can see, I just got started here and I'm moving that direction with it. And this is tough, dirty stuff, man. I mean, you can see where I applied the chemical on there, but this is very stubborn, black, dirty stuff, and it's fighting to stay on. Stuff is fighting to stay on there, but I'm gonna get it off. I'm gonna get it cleaned off to the best of my ability with the chemicals that I have. It's really up to the chemicals and the pressure washer. You know, I got a 3100 psi pressure washer, 3100 pounds per square inch. That's quite a bit. And whatever doesn't come off, it just ain't coming off. But this looks a lot better than, I mean, this obviously looks better than this. Okay, so that's the difference. This is what they got, and this is what I'm giving them right here. And it's not done. I'm not done. I think after I hit this with this wand and pressure wash it, I'm gonna go back and apply bleach to it. And after I apply the bleach and I'll let that bleach dwell, then I will come back after that bleach has had a chance to dry and dwell for a good 15-20 minutes. I'll come back and I'll hit it with the sealant, and that'll be the end of that. And I'm also gonna do this for them. They didn't ask for this, and you know, I didn't quote them a price on it, but I'm gonna do this for them, and this is what I'm dealing with here. That's what I'm dealing with right there. And it is pretty dirty. You know, not gonna lie, it's pretty dirty. But I'm also gonna hit this up for them. They didn't ask me to do this. And they're not paying for it, but I am going to clean this area up. I'm going to clean that table and this little piece of concrete here that it's sitting on, because that's a nice place to come sit and have something to eat if it's clean, which right now it's not. Yeah, this surface is just, it's just filthy. But like I say, we're going to get this cleaned up to the best of our ability with the chemical and the equipment that we have, because that's what it comes down to, is, you know, the equipment and the chemicals. It's really up to the chemicals to get this stuff off. And you know, the pressure washing, you know, pressure washing is what it is, but a good chemical, you know, should get this stuff off of there. So hopefully I've got chemicals that are good enough to remove all that crap. Alright, so this is the end result. We are all done, and here's what it looks like in the end. I think it's not too bad. I think it's looking pretty good. All the black stuff is gone. The black stuff is all a thing of the past, and it's looking real good. Even the pillars, all the black gunk is gone, and it's looking pretty clean now. Looking real good. These things, I don't know if it's ever been cleaned, ever. I think probably not. It's probably never been, this surface has probably never been cleaned, but it's looking pretty clean now. It's looking pretty clean now. So this is how we're going to leave it. And we are done with Church of Christ. I think we did a pretty good job on this. I think we did a pretty good job.